Okay, we're currently at a lighthouse location that's run by the U.S. Coast Guard here. Here it is here, and people are living there. There's a sign say, please do not disturb the family and respect the privacy of those who are serving here. And here is what this lighthouse see here. Look at this. Look at this vast ocean here. Again, this is the Pacific here. And I hope you can see this here. It's a little gray and cloudy day. It's a beautiful beach here, you can see. We're actually on our way to Lincoln City, Oregon, which is maybe still about 2 hours from here. And we're stopping at various points on our journey. This is what you do on an adventure here. We don't know where we're going, what we're doing necessarily. It's not all planned out. We are just trying to see what we can see of this awesome country of ours. In any case, let's hope you all can see something and see what I'm seeing. God bless. Beach here on the coast, and I'm not getting out of the car right now. The camera is not weatherproof or anything, but I'm hoping that I can record and you can see the waves and the water rushing on the beach here. Look at that. Can you guys see this at all?
The waves are wild.
Yeah, they're wild. And I wish I didn't have to run the windshield wiper, but otherwise, I don't think you can see it very clearly here. It's just quite spectacular. You can just park here and make out your girlfriend and just sit here. In any case, it's wonderful, beautiful. I hope you can see this here. We're lucky to be here in person to witness this, and again, we're on the Oregon coast here, just to let you know. And of course, as you all know, this is the Pacific Ocean. The other ocean's on the other side. Okay, so we are on the Pacific here. And I will see what we can see here. I apologize again, I'm filming this from inside the car. I'm not brave enough to go outside. I don't want to damage the camera. As is, one of my other cameras not working, the other one is kind of hanging on, and this is the only one I have left here right now I can depend on. Okay, but it's a good camera, not complaining, it's just not weatherproof here, that's all. So I'm not going to take a chance here, and I hope this is of interest when I share them with you, my friends and family, and you will see what we are seeing, okay? Gonna stop here right now, I think, unless old camera girl has some other ideas. We are here. It's a little challenge to pull over sometime, but listen, after you drive 4,000 or 5,000 miles, you're here. What's another 75 yards? Okay, right? Isn't that right, guys?
That's right, guys.
We're here, so we're gonna do it while we are here. We met a couple who comes down this area every year, but they live in Idaho, which is only 10 hours. Doing what we have done now, a 10-hour drive would be absolutely nothing here, okay? So, in any case, here we are. I hope you can see this here. And I think that's about it. As you can see, it's a rainy day here in Lincoln City. We probably won't be doing much today. it will be a good day to catch up on laundry and downloading and organizing our pictures. We have a lot of that, and it's a good thing we also bought a cooked chicken at a supermarket before leaving Bandon. This will be a wonderful dinner for tonight. Any case, we are at a KOA. God bless America and God save the Republic. And we've had a wonderful trip.